Yo, what's up guys? So welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video I wanted to talk on a project that I believe is going to be huge in the future. Already these guys are developing, they've had additional funding, they've got a solid team, strong fundamentals, great technology, and yeah, their technology is pretty much already used with enterprises across the world. But before we get into that, let's just take a look at the market as a whole. Pretty much, yeah, we've got quite a lot of green coins here in terms of the daily movement. So you can see here, Hex up 11.6%, GMX is doing well, that's up 10.1%, Sand is up, Aptos is up, TWT is up, Filecoin is up. So it looks like a pretty green day in the market as a whole, especially for the top 100 coins. But anyways, the project that I wanted to talk to you guys about is Casper Network. So Casper, you know, these guys are literally building, and I mean, I'm mega bullish on Casper in the longer term. You know, I believe it's definitely going to be like for me, easily a top 50 token in terms of crypto market cap. And yeah, I mean, what these guys have going on at the moment is just very impressive, and what they've been able to achieve as well is very impressive. The tech is just amazing. But anyways, at the moment, the token is trading at 3 cents. So it's up 1.5% in the last 24 hours. If we take a look at their circulating supply in terms of coins, so roughly it's at 10.5 billion. Total supply is 11 billion. So when you look at their market cap, a relatively low market cap, 317 million. And fully diluted valuation is 340 million. So not really much difference there between the fully diluted and the market cap, which means that you know, there's not going to be I guess a lot of price drops when additional tokens are released into the ecosystem. So yeah, obviously that's a good sign from that perspective. Take a look at their all-time high. So all-time high was $1.33. Currently we're 98% off that value. So you know, I believe that will hit $1.33 easily in the next bull run, and to be honest, probably even more than that. That's pretty much a 44x from today's prices. And even if we did hit $1.33, it will mean that a market cap for Casper would be roughly around 15 billion or so, which is very achievable. To be honest, I think the market cap will end up being a lot higher than that. So potentially, you know, the token price could be a lot greater than the $1.33 all-time high, which, you know, obviously I'm mega bullish on, so I believe it will be. But in terms of Casper, we just talk a little bit about you know, what Casper is. So just head over here to the website. So basically it's a layer 1 proof of stake blockchain. It's used within enterprises at the moment, and it makes it easy for enterprises to build blockchain enabled products and services. So yeah, the tech is very impressive. Project was founded initially to kind of solve problems that existed on enterprise blockchains, and to support global adoption without compromising security, scalability, and speed within the blockchain itself. And obviously Casper delivers on those areas as well. So yeah, it's great in terms of what it achieves from a tech perspective. One of the key features about Casper is that they have this upgradable smart contracts facility. So it's a facility to upgrade smart contracts that have already been deployed on chain. So yeah, you can literally make adjustments to smart contracts that have already been put out there, which is you know, I don't feel like I've seen that on any other blockchain. But obviously guys, if you know, hit me up in the comments if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've seen that anywhere else, to be honest. So yeah, mega bullish on that. Other key features is that it's easy to develop on, so it's very developer friendly. The programming language that they use is Rust or I think it's WebAssembly. So I believe those programming languages are common coding languages within the mainstream developers today. So yeah, easily accessible from a lot of developers, and easy for them to, I guess, write code onto the blockchain. and deploy smart contracts based on that. So, and also the blockchain itself is scalable, low gas fees. It's future proof, which it kind of states there. And the team behind Casper, they consist of former top executives, guys that have worked for enterprises such as Microsoft, Google, and Adobe. So yeah, you got to be bullish on that. It's got some of the best minds working behind the project. So hella bullish on that. In terms of just like the funding, so the funding history, obviously there was a lot of hype around Casper when initially the project did launch. So you can see here launched, the first funding Series A was back in July 2019, 14.5 mil was raised, and then September 2020 another 14 mil, and Jan 2021 so another 11.9 mil. So you can see it's pretty much heavily backed. Some good VCs here, so some solid backing. Arrington Capital, you got Blockchain, Hashkey, so some big guys there as well. In terms of the partnerships, Casper's constantly growing, and here you can see a little bit about the adoption. So some of the other areas that it works with, so DApp Radar, DevDAO, Edge, Killpool, Chainlink, Frontier. So yeah, some great guys that they're working with there, great projects. And in terms of the partnerships, so you've got here Hero, which is a gold-backed asset token, Plasma Pay, IPWE, intellectual property. So it's a top provider for IP rights management, migrating from IBM's, Hyperledger, Broadleaf Commerce, music royalties, supply chain, an industry leader in aerospace and automotive parts manufacturing and distribution, cloud services, so top 10 Fortune 500 company offering Casper as one of 3 featured blockchain service providers to their enterprise clients, and business insights. So there's quite a few there, that the Casper technology is actually used on. So yeah, you got to be bullish on that as well. So a lot of bullish news from Casper, from my perspective anyways. When looking at this, very solid project, good fundamentals, and at the moment a very low price. So you're literally getting Casper at a huge discount. And there was some recent news on Casper as well. So here, just on their Twitter, so they had posted that to complement the launch of our 25 million grant program. So there was another 25 million invested in Casper, also creating new digital portal to support developers and innovators. The developer portal is scheduled to go live in Q1 of 2023. And if we just take a little look at that article in a bit more detail. So Casper Association launches 25 million grant to support developers on its blockchain. So they've had this injection of funds to really help with their development, and they'll be launching this platform in Q1 2023. So this fund will support learning, development, and innovations in infrastructure, so dApps, DeFi, gaming, and NFTs. So yeah, it looks like they're well in the space from a decentralized apps point of view. Now within the DeFi space as well, gaming and NFT. So they're pretty much covered from all areas associated to a blockchain at the moment. So yeah, guys, for me, I'm mega bullish on Casper, and obviously nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. Do your own research, please do your own research, and then see if it's right for you to invest in the token, invest in the project or not. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about Casper, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.